The Lee County Sheriff appears to be out of the legal spotlight. According to Sheriff Carmine Marceno's attorney, the federal investigation involving the sheriff has been formally closed. Wink News reporter Brinkley Hill is outside the Lee County Sheriff's Office with what the FBI was investigating.
Sheriff Marceno was under investigation for money laundering as well as not reporting gifts and gambling debt. In October of 2024, Mike Hollow, a former Lee County Sheriff employee that ran against Marceno, and a former associate of the sheriff, Ken Romano, brought these accusations to the FBI. Hollow said Marceno was involved in a consulting deal that funneled money to his father, while Romano said he actually covered gifts and gambling debt for Marceno. Wink News reached out to Romano and hasn't heard back yet, but we were able to speak to Hollow, who said it was a sad day for law enforcement in Lee County.
Never been politically motivated. I took an oath many years ago to stand up for the right and do the right thing and protect against evil. And that includes members of the Lee County Sheriff's Office or any other law enforcement agency for that matter.
Sheriff Marceno declined an on-camera interview, but in a written statement continued to deny these accusations, saying they're politically motivated, saying, "I believe in the system. The FBI and U.S. Attorney's Office investigated and conducted independent investigations. They found no wrongdoing." From Lee County, Brinkley Hill, Wink News.
And Wink News did reach out to Marceno's campaign manager to ask if Marceno was looking to run for a congressional seat. They told us the sheriff is keeping his options open. A possible run could come in Florida's 19th congressional district to replace Byron Donalds, who's running for governor. Others running for congressional seats is Democrat Howard Sapp, Republicans Madison Cawthorn, Chris Collins, James Oberweis, Mike Penderson, and Jim Schwartzel. Jim Schwartzel is president of Sun Broadcasting, which owns 92.5 Fox News and the CW. Wink News airs on the CW, but Schwartzel has no involvement in Wink News' editorial decisions.